Welcome to the SL Auto Tech YouTube channel, where we delve into the heart of automotive innovation. Join us as we explore the intricate world of engines, sharing insights, updates, and the latest breakthroughs. Rev up your knowledge with us as we unravel.
A car engine is the heart and soul of an automobile, responsible for converting fuel into mechanical power, propelling the vehicle and enabling its movement. The evolution of car engines has been a testament to human ingenuity, spanning over a century of innovation and advancement. From the early internal combustion engines to the modern hybrid and electric powertrains, the car engine has undergone transformative changes, influencing not only transportation but also the global landscape of energy consumption, environmental concerns, and technological progress. The inception of the car engine can be traced back to the late 19th century, when inventors such as Nicholas Otto and Carl Benz laid the foundation for the internal combustion engine. These early engines relied on the principle of igniting a mixture of fuel, commonly gasoline, and air within a combustion chamber, causing controlled explosions that produced mechanical energy. This energy was then harnessed to move the vehicle's wheels and drive the car forward. Over time, various designs and configurations emerged, including inline, V-shaped, and horizontally opposed engines, each with its unique advantages in terms of efficiency, power delivery, and packaging. As the 20th century progressed, car engines evolved from simple mechanical assemblies to sophisticated systems incorporating advanced technologies. Fuel injection, turbocharging, and electronic engine management revolutionized engine efficiency, power output, and emissions control. The pursuit of higher fuel efficiency led to the development of smaller, yet more powerful engines, often aided by turbochargers that increased air intake and combustion efficiency. This era also saw the rise of multi-valve configurations and variable valve timing, optimizing the engine's performance across different operating conditions. However, with the growing awareness of environmental issues and fossil fuel depletion, car engineers faced the challenge of creating engines that were not only powerful, but also environmentally friendly. This drive led to the development of hybrid vehicles, which combined traditional internal combustion engines with electric motors. Hybrids offered improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and regenerative braking, where the kinetic energy during braking is converted into electrical energy and stored in batteries. In recent years, electric vehicles, EVs, have emerged as a potential game-changer in the automotive industry. Electric car engines, or electric motors, operate using the principles of electromagnetic induction to produce rotational motion. Unlike internal combustion engines, EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions and offer instant torque delivery, providing a smooth and silent driving experience. Additionally, advancements in battery technology have extended the range and reduced charging times, addressing the concerns of range anxiety that previously hindered the adoption of electric cars. The ongoing transition towards electrification has also sparked innovations in infrastructure, with the development of charging networks and renewable energy integration. Governments, industries, and consumers are collectively embracing the shift towards sustainable transportation, recognizing the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. In conclusion, the car engine has evolved from a rudimentary mechanism to a pinnacle of technological achievement, shaping the automotive industry and influencing global transportation dynamics. From the early days of internal combustion engines to the present era of electrification, the pursuit of efficiency, power, and environmental responsibility has driven continuous innovation. As we navigate through the 21st century, the car engine's legacy will undoubtedly continue to transform, leaving an indelible mark on our roads, cities, and the planet's future.